Hey guys, this is Kiara from iDigit Affiliate, and today we're going to continue the My Lead Gen Secret Challenge using Clickbank case study or whatever you want to call it. So as you can see here, I did get a sale yesterday here, the 28th. Let's refresh it to make sure you guys can see that I did get a sale. I ain't changed no numbers. See, the same thing popped up. I want y'all to make sure y'all notice that, right? I forgot to talk about this in any of my other videos, but make sure the person that you're watching refreshes the page so you know for sure that they got a sale. You could easily change these numbers around in these bars to make it look like you're making a ton of money. Actually not. It's very easy to do, but so make sure they refresh it. But anyway, yeah, let's look at what's going on here. Basically, it was yesterday. So Social Page got a sale here. Don't worry about all these other clicks. They from other stuff I promoted in the past. I don't know why they getting clicks. Anyway, I have no idea what from. It probably like articles or something. But we're not talking about that now. We promoting Social Page. It got 500 clicks yesterday. Hop counts yesterday. Kind of ridiculous. We got 2 impression pages. 2 people almost bought it. 1 person did buy it. All right, so let's look at how the accounts work here. So my first account got the 2 impressions and the buy. Right, the other 2 accounts did get a lot of impressions though. So yeah, this seems to be what it is. Like, we got a gross sale. We did not get an upsell. That, but you know, it is what it is. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna make sure we note that down here on the thing here. Did get a sale at the end of February here, so we just write that down here. So we still at a negative 77.89. Next month we're gonna be plus a 90. That's gonna be like 180 or something like that. 170. I don't know. 180, 70, 180, somewhere around now. And you know, in my first account, the one got the sale here on the 28th, didn't get upsell, so we're gonna note that down. And basically like that. So anyway, let's get back to My Lead Gen Secrets here. We're gonna go back to the same product. We on day 5. We know that for a fact. So we come down here, we click on e-business, e-marketing, because that's what people are signing up from on My Lead Gen Secret for, opportunities to make money online. So anyway, this is it right here. We click on the affiliate page here. Go here, find the email in which we want to send. We on day 5, so this one, 1,000 with YouTube job match. Right. So anyway, let's click on here. Let's go ahead and log into my account, my first account here. Even though I only got 100 clicks, we did get a sale, which is interesting. Even though we got our last email actually performed better, but this is the one that got the sale. So we're gonna continue on. Didn't mean to click on. But anyway, we're gonna continue on here. For people who don't know and are clicking on this for the first time ever, My Lead Gen Secrets is a program in which you get 100 leads every single day that you can email every single day. Unless you get a sale in My Lead Gen Secret, then that 100 leads turn into 200 leads. So you get bonus leads once you get a sale in My Lead Gen Secret. Now the most effective way to do this is with 5 accounts at least. We're just using 3 at the moment. If this takes off, I'll add more accounts to it, but we're sticking to 3 for right now. And we're seeing what we can do with 3 accounts. But yeah, the recommended is definitely 5 accounts. Oh, okay, sorry about that little scratch. All right, so we're gonna go in here and click on that. We emailing 30,000 people at this point. Let me erase this. Some accounts are doing better than others. Some accounts have way less leads but gets tons of sales, and other accounts have a ton of leads, hardly get any sales. So that's why you want multiple accounts. Some accounts are winners while others are not great. So you want to try multiple accounts. So if this like these 3 accounts perform well, I'll go to I add more accounts to it slowly, like 4 here, 5 here, 6 here, so on and so forth. if it performs well. I get positive stuff here. Alright, so anyway, copy. I'm gonna copy that, put that here. I'm gonna put that here. Okay. Now we're gonna make sure we change name into first name here, so they'll know that it's him. We're not gonna change anything. We're gonna just post what they tell us to post and see what happens. More of like a, this is more like a kind of like an experiment, you know, not changing anything really. Here, this is like so we can really kind of gauge how well these emails perform. Put our name or whatever name you want to. My bad though. Didn't mean to do that. Here. Hey. That. Bold, guys. Done with that. Here to apply now. Click here to apply. Okay, click here to apply. So it's 3 of them. Make sure we put the name here. Do we have any country or anything like that? No, we do not. So we're gonna go up here, grab first name fits here. Place that right here, like that, and we're gonna go ahead and add link here. I'm gonna click on it like that. Just gonna place this, that, that, and always make sure that these links work. So I'm gonna do that, and we're gonna look at preview and make sure the links work. Check all 3. 1, 2, 3. Boom, boom, boom. Work, work, work. All right, all 3 work. All right, so and we make sure we hit perfect timing. What perfect timing does, it makes sure that when the system sends the email around the time people end up opening check email, so it ends up at the top of the list, they have a much better chance of being opened and checked on and see what it's talking about. So yeah, pick perfect timing. And then we just send the email here, guys. Boom. And we send it, we make sure it's sent, and then we'll go to another account. So how we go to another account here, that we just click on account right there, log out on this one, go to it, boom, 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 log into the account like that, boom, and then we just copy paste. Get that there, we make sure we change these. Go for second account. Get perfect time here. Go up. Make sure to copy the title here. Send the email. Boom. It's that simple. And we just do the same thing for every account. And eventually we'll be done. And you just do this every morning. Ideal. And you can build yourself a pretty decent income doing it. We just testing it out to see how it works right now, but yo, that's the goal. So anyway, we're gonna do this. Okay, I'm gonna go to I did you fit. Okay, that's one. This is a much newer account, so it don't have as many leads at all, but we'll see. We can get a sale off of this. It performed. Hello, let me look. It actually performed pretty decently. I do have better performance, but that doesn't really matter. What matters if it got sales. If it gets sales, then yeah. All right, so let's go ahead and do it like that. To change the links to make sure you know which account it is. All the links here. There we go. All right. Now we just get the this here. Copy that. Boom, boom. Press the wrong button there. My bad. All right, looks pretty good. Hit perfect timing. Done. And that's it, guys. Basically, that's all there is to it. Very easy to do. All right, so yeah, and that's the end of that there, guys. Oh, one more thing before I leave here. You can, I think, you sign into what is called Saving Highway Global, and I think it works better than Clickbank, because once you get a sale on it, you get a sale on it like that, over and over again. So you can slowly build up an income on my lead gen, on Saving Highway Global here, and get yourself up to a decent amount of money. And as you can see here, I have not gotten a sale in a long time, but I'm still making money off of it because people have signed in under me, and they're gonna continue paying me as long as they stay in it. So it's a very easy way to build up your income. Instead of using Clickbank, you can just continuously send out these emails for Saving Highway Global. So I just wanted to point that out real quick. And yeah, that's about it. Wish you guys, I wish you guys the best of luck here. And make sure to also like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Everything's gonna be in the description below, all the links and stuff. Sign in and anything. They're all affiliate links under me. I help you best as I can with the YouTube channel. Just send a comment to me, on YouTube here. I love answering comments. I love talking to people. Just let me know, man. Just if you want to sign in under me and you kind of confused or something. Okay, that's about it, guys. I'll talk to you next time. Peace.